Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to justify text in Photoshop. First, ensure you've created a text box with the Type tool, as justification options are for paragraph text. Next, select your text layer in the Layers panel. Then, navigate to Window and select Paragraph to open the Paragraph panel. This panel is where you'll find all the necessary alignment and justification controls to give your text a polished look. Once the Paragraph panel is open, you'll see several icons for justification. The most common is Justify All, which evenly distributes your text across the entire width of the text box, creating a clean, block-like appearance. However, you also have options to justify all lines except the last, which can then be aligned to the left, centered, or aligned to the right, offering flexibility for different design needs. Sometimes, after applying justification, you might notice uneven spacing. You can refine this by adjusting word and letter spacing within the Paragraph panel. For more granular control, access the Justification dialog box from the Paragraph panel menu. If your justification options are grayed out, it's likely because you're using point text. Simply convert it to paragraph text by going to Type, Convert to Paragraph Text. To achieve perfectly justified text, always ensure your text box is sized correctly to accommodate your content. Don't be afraid to experiment with the different justification options to see which one best suits your design. Sometimes, a slight adjustment to the text box or choosing a different justification type can make a big difference. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic socks and other great deals. Mastering these techniques will elevate your Photoshop text layouts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.